Yeah, I think I left the lights on. Gaadi start in Yori.
Well, Anand, I think we can use the charger. This will help us to start the car.
What charger?
So this is this new Uzi charger we picked up before starting the convoy. Ideally, this does not have its own battery. What it does is it recharges itself in a couple of seconds from your drained out battery.
Oh, nice.
Even if you have 1 or 2 volts in your battery left over, it will recharge itself, then give you a full power charge, and I think we'll be able to start the car. And the damn thing can start a vehicle up to 10 litre engine. So I think it should be good for your Range Rover.
Yeah.
So let's try doing this. So it's pretty simple. We'll have to use these clamps. Here's the positive, here's the positive.
Those teeth look scary.
Yeah. Solid build. So voltage ready. So you see it's recharging.
Right.
Once it's charged fully, it will show full and ready. You should show it display. It takes around 30 seconds to a minute. At times, if it's a very low battery, then might take up to 1.5 minutes. But yeah, so it's ready.
Okay.
1 second. So see, it has a countdown timer.
Oh, okay.
So the moment it goes on 0, see, it says run.
Nice.
Let's try to crank the engine,
Okay.
and it should work.
Fingers crossed.
Perfect.
That is fantastic.
The damn thing is a lifesaver.
Oh yeah.
Imagine if this location we never had even if we did not have another car, so nothing would work. But this thing can actually jumpstart everything. And see, it says ready, full charged. You can remove it.
And all I have to do is press. Do I need to press the run button or?
Yeah, before you. So I'll give you a demo again. What you do is see, it's ready right now. So once you connect the clamps, it says charging.
Right.
It takes some time to charge, and then once it's fully charged, this starts blinking, which says full and ready. So you press run, and then starts the countdown timer. After 10 seconds, you can crank the engine, and it's up and running.
That's fantastic. I don't think I'm going anywhere without you or this thing in any
A
of my
beautiful piece of device, right?
Oh yes.
A lot of times it happens actually. We had another Jumpstart. The thing was, it used to run on a lithium-ion battery. However, so one of our last expeditions, we realized that because it was a sub-zero temperature, and wherein the batteries tend to discharge very quickly, they self-discharge. So we were driving with the confidence that we had a Jumpstart, which had a battery-powered Jumpstart. So if someone gets stuck, we can definitely jumpstart the vehicle. But we got stuck. And we realized when we starting it, the battery was drained out. The Jumpstart itself was completely drained out. So we were stuck at nowhere. That's the reason I found this, and it looks like a perfect. It says rescue mate, and it's actually a rescue.
It is a rescue mate. Yeah.